According to Social Blade, this channel's estimated monthly earnings, between $2,300 to $36,900. And estimated yearly income between $27,100 to $4,34,000. This channel's got 9 million plus views in last 30 days. What is really incredible? Have 6,14,000 plus subscribers till now, and it's growing. Let's find the monthly keyword search volume of relaxing music. 50,98,000 plus monthly search volume. Can you believe the opportunity? And related search volume is 10 lakh plus. Almost all related search volume have great opportunity to get thousands of views very easily as they have very high search volume. Though the competition is also high, but we will beat the competition. Stay connected. Let's see the channel in Social Blade in detail for more research. This channel name is Relaxation Film. This channel uploaded only 104 videos, got 6,15,000 plus subscriber as I said earlier. At least average earning is $100 per day. So today our goal is to make videos like this channel does, but we will do it by more easiest way with the help of AI without any effort. Let's see what channel does. Here is the popular videos. Best video got 19 million views. This video got 17 million views. This video also got 17 million views. Every single video got millions of views. This is an indication that here there are lots of opportunities in this niche, and you can grab today's strategy to build your profitable online business with YouTube. Truly incredible. Every video's got thousands to millions views. Now let's see the channel's most popular video at a glance, and we will make better videos than this channel. It's just a relaxing video, nothing special, but got 19 million views till today. Now we are going straight to SUNO AI for generating a relaxing music. You will find all the necessary links in description. Visit through that link and you will come to this SUNO AI's dashboard and log in with your Google account. After login, click on Create button and write the pattern of music you want in the box song description box. You can write whatever you want. Here I am just writing relaxing music video and clicked on Create button. Give AI 1 minute to generate AI music according to your prompt. And here is our music is ready. Let's hear. Here is 2 versions of generated music. And let's check second one. I think first one is better, so I am saving the generated image to my PC for further use. Now let's go to next stage to generate our music video with AI. You will find the link in description. You will come to this dashboard and click on Create Video button and you will be logged in. You will find a box to paste a supported music URL, going back to SUNO, and clicked on Copy Song Link button to copy the music link and paste it to that box. Then write a prompt as you want your music video should as you desire. I am writing 4K Cinematic HD Natural and clicked on Enter button on top box. Within few seconds AI will automatically select 30-second duration. Drag the bar to 1 minute, finalize your prompt and click on Style button and select any reference image you want. I select the downloaded image and clicked on Generate button. This will start processing our command and start generating our music video. It will take long time to complete this process. The music is just here. I generated it when I tried this AI. See the capacity? Now after a long time our video is ready, let's see. If you have any confusion you can always ask through comment section, I will answer all comments one by one. And if you find our video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Here's our music video according my last prompt, let's check it out. I hope you will able to make better music video than me when you will try.
Sinking low, I close my eyes and let the worries go. Melodies in the air, they soothe my weary soul. A symphony of calmness, I'm in total control. Through the motion of the waves and the gentle breeze, I find solace in the stillness, my heart at ease. Colors dancing in the sky, painting a serene scene, a tranquil paradise, a tranquility's routine. Feeling the peace, embracing the tranquility.
Was not it awesome? Write your opinion on comment box. And also subscribe to my channel. You will find a box at right side named Edit Clip. If you are not satisfied with any clip, you can change it by adding or even editing text in this box, and you can generate new clips till you satisfy. Here I am changing a bit to make you clear. You can change whatever you want for your music video as your desired scene. After inputting your text, click on Regenerate button to start generation new sense for new clip. Here's our new clip is ready. Let's see. One thing, did you notice that the image I used the full music video is generated with that image pattern, so carefully add your reference image. After satisfying, you will able to download it to your PC. In this way, you can generate relaxing music video for free. If you have a plan to start your new YouTube channel, make sure you carefully tested everything. And you can also use this AI in Discord if you don't want to use its web dashboard. I am not explaining the full process of Discord, but I hope you will be able to use it if you really wise to use it in Discord. You cannot edit any scene in Discord server. So I am not showing you that process. If you want to see that process, write me in comment section. Until now, if you find my video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Stay connected. I will show a final important thing you should do if you have an existing YouTube channel or if you have a plan to do so. Before going today, I want to suggest you to carefully find best keywords for your YouTube video. Use that keywords in your video title and focus on your thumbnail of your video. And finally, if you can successfully find keyword, your video will also get thousands of views. You will find the best ever YouTube tools link in description. Go with that link and start your free research for YouTube. Thank you for watching.